We have the richest reef in the whole world. From this dock where we are sitting 2 steps, 3 steps away from me, scientists went in this water here in front of us and they counted the highest biodiversity in the entire planet. We try to create a place where people have a nice holiday, they can enjoy the nature. We like doing this because in a way we show them the creation of the Lord. So we feel that's a good way to spend your time. You know, if you have a vacation and you enjoy the beauty of the creation, that's in a way a good thing. So it could be that, the Lord willing, we can use that as a thing to talk. Look how beautiful it is, we are so blessed.
Years ago, Max moved to Indonesia to open a scuba diving resort in West Papua. This area is one of the most premier diving locations, attracting visitors from all over the globe.
This resort, the Suriro Bay Resort, caters to often they're businessmen. A lot of them are let's say in the medical world, very educated people, most of them. It takes quite some money to travel all the way here, and then what we offer also has a price tag on it.
Most visitors live busy lives in the world's largest cities. They rarely take time to relax from their busy day. So when they come here, the resort is an oasis where they can put aside their stress and focus on what's in front of them. Max sees his business as an opportunity to share something new with his guests who might otherwise never be exposed to God's message.
As a businessman, or not even, whatever you do, even if you have a job in a company, you can use that position. You have the possibility to talk to your neighbor, you can be kind to them, you can help them, and that is a way how you can reach other people. And you can do it on your workplace, you can do it as a company. We have to look, how can we do something useful with our lives and reach other people. I would like to shout in everyone's face, trust the Lord. But that's not the approach you can have, although that's maybe in your heart. But you can give little hints and then you can try to see if there's a feedback, and if people are open to it. I would like to talk about the Lord the whole day. But of course, I didn't come here to get preached to.
The resort staff rest Friday to Saturday evening, and this creates the opportunity for conversations about God's Sabbath with the guests. Max is happy to answer any spiritual questions the resort guests may have, and he will share as much as they want to hear.
If we read the Bible and we look at the Lord Jesus Christ, we see that He told us what we should do, and what we should do is go around the world and give the gospel to other people. And He made a promise that if we would do so, He would always be with us. Every single thing what you do, every breath that you take should be for the Lord. So what I want to say to people is follow the Lord and don't worry about anything, because He has all the power and you don't have to worry about anything. We cannot do much, but He can do everything, so don't worry. Follow Him, that's all.